Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today is something a little bit different, which you can probably tell by the title. I'm in London at the Excel Arena, so this massive like space where you can like do loads of kind of exhibitions and things like that. I've been here for a property one before, but actually today is the London boat show, yacht show, or whatever it is. So we're going to check out some cool boats and some cool yachts. And the entrance is just here, so I will catch up with you when we are inside. So first stop is the Riva or something, I think it's called. And check this out. So viewing is by appointment only, and I didn't have an appointment, but that looks pretty cool. If I zoom in over there, you can probably kind of see inside a little bit as well. Check that out. The interior does match the S-Class, and look at that as well. Some sort of little like jetpack thing, I think it is. It's pretty cool. Here's one of the bedrooms, obviously 2 single beds, which has a nice mirror over there. Pretty comfy actually in here. It's not too bad. Air conditioning system's there. Nice, pretty big window. Yeah, you can't really stand up or anything apart from in this section here. You got wardrobe space as well. So this looks like it's probably one of the main bedrooms. Forget cars. This is all we need to get. See the S-Class interior, right? But check that out. Ah, that is nice. And you got like a little window here at the top as well, so when you're lying down, that's actually really cool. And a blind that closes. And this comes in at about 780,000 plus tax. Actually less than what I thought it would be. But let's see, I think there's more to investigate. Let's have a look. This is currently the bathroom space, so check this out over here. This is your shower. Not too bad. Very similar to like on Emirates, kind of like the airline, you got a small little space. Not too bad. A little bit snug, but it's cool.
You want to warm them first.
So now on the top deck of the boat, you come up the steps from here. Got this nice little like seating area on this side, and then this is the view up here. Whoever is going to be captain or whatever, but let me get comfortable. That is not too bad. Check out this view. Got some massive yachts there on the other side, and we've only just entered. The entrance is right there, so I've literally seen one boat. This is the second one, but there's all of that to see. So I think we'll start doing a little montage of all the other boats. But I do like this. Never been too keen on boats. I've been on a few yachts. Should I say these are yachts, not boats? If anyone tells me anything, but this is pretty cool. So maybe a boat show, but they've actually got helicopters here. So this is, I think, GB helicopters or something, so for like business travel and stuff. And they've got this beast. Check that out. And just for like comparison's sakes, there's the helicopter, and there's like a 43-foot yacht, and that's the size of the helicopter. So obviously being a boat show, it's not just about selling boats and ones that are already designed, but it's also about actual designs. So here they've got like this whole section where the drawings and mock-ups for everything, and you can obviously contact the people here who are designing them to get your own very own yacht design. Now that is my favourite out of all of them, because that is pretty cool. But there's also quite a stealthish looking one over here, which looks like it would pierce through the water. That one looks really, really cool. Some of these designs are really nice. This is a bit like submarine-esque. Check that out. It's got one of those submarine pod things that you can go down in. And then here is like them building it. And here are some more designs. It's like a large, what, jacuzzi or something like that. And then that looks like half a cruise liner that's kind of been cut off. And there's some more cool design ideas over here. It's not just about that. It's yachts, everything. They got some cars as well, I'll try and show you, but nothing fancy. You would think at the same place where they had luxury yachts, you think they'd have luxury cars, but they don't. Let's carry on looking around and see what else there is to see. So I'm currently on one of the smaller boats here. This is like a smaller, not yacht you'd say, it's more like a day boat. The reason why I'm showing this is I think it's quite interesting. So check this out. You've got a lot of space here with like a downstairs space there as well, a lot of seating and everything here. And as you go to the front here, you've got like a full kind of chill out area where you can relax, have some drinks, do whatever. You can chill here at the front of the boat. So it's quite a good size. And the reason why I'm talking about this, let me have a nice little seat, this is super comfy. The reason being is because this boat, surprisingly enough, if you wanted to guess, is about £239,000, which honestly I thought these would be a lot more. Now I know there's a lot of costs involved, like boats insurance, and you want to have somebody essentially who can sail the boat, but you can do it yourself as well. But something like this is only about £239,000. I say only, please don't judge me there, but I thought this would be a lot more expensive, because if you compare it to like the cars, which is something that we can do, is that if you're looking at like an Aventador, which is over £300,000, you can get one of these for less than that. So this 239 is about the price of a well-spec'd Ferrari 488 GTB. Right, let's go downstairs and have a look at this one because this is actually pretty cool. Heading down here is the space, so you can actually stay here if you wanted to go and stay somewhere overnight. Right, so it's under here, is it? So this is where you essentially sleep. You gotta kind of get over this little thing here because it's stuck out. Obviously this is not one of the yachts, this is a normal day boat as the guy was telling me. But still you have space to come over. The full top as well kind of like covers over, it's got its own canvas. It's really nice. This is for a brand new boat, by the way. I'm honestly just a little bit surprised. I thought this was a lot more expensive and kind of out of reach, but something like this potentially could be. You guys always know I want to know about the resale market, so I'm going to speak to the guy and see what he says. So the different prices in the boats, like I told you, this is the one that's $1 million. I was in the bedroom on the other side here. Here's another bedroom, and this in here is the shower. This is a really nice shower. There's a lot more space in here. Tons and tons of headroom, proper loo. Look at this, proper sink and everything. And when you're closed off in here, look at that. £1 million, by the way, not dollars. £1 million, and that's including tax. For anybody who's interested, I don't have that kind of money. Now check out the front of this one. South of France, chilling around. This is a nice one. Huge windscreen there as well. Okay, on to the next one. How's that in there? I'd say this is a Friday. Not a bad Friday to have. And this one is very, very nice. Kind of got this stealth look, like even the interior cockpit there. So just so you know, we started over there, and they've got all the way down to the end still to go. So I better get a move on. Oh, that one looks cool over there. That is one that I want to go and see, with a top deck up there. Let's go and have a look at that. Now this one here is probably one of the biggest yachts here. It's about 60 foot, 60 or something odd foot, and it's like got levels, literally. So let's take a look at this one, and then I want to see that one there as well, because that is a smaller 52 yacht one and a smaller one down there. But let's have a look at this one. Alright, this is the downstairs bit here. Now this is the ensuite bathroom. You can already see here much more space. It's looking like I'm selling this thing like I know what I'm talking about. I don't, I'm just thinking this is bigger. The sinks have got like a newer kind of design. Mirrors all the way on the back here, and proper shower now, not just kind of a standard one, but this one has actually got like a seat and everything. It's a full-on proper shower. Windows in the shower as well. Top of this is a nice space. So I don't know how much this one is. This is definitely more than $1 million. This is more than. So I was wrong. This is the biggest boat here. The Sunseeker 77 foot. I don't even know its name, but look at this. That is great. Look at the size of the windows here. It's like a full-on lounge area here with a lounge out the back as well. Massive TVs, dining table, and then 2 seats in case one person falls asleep. That incredible view. There's like a, I don't know how many seater place out the front there as well, but look at this. This is the biggest one here. Genuinely speechless. Right, so now you got to go and have a look upstairs, downstairs, and upstairs. And through here is the bathroom. Look at that space. Double sinks, massive mirrors, 2-person shower probably. Hello. With the window. It's a family channel. See, now a lot of them you can't see like the engines and everything from the inside, but this one, the biggest yacht here, the 77 foot Sunseeker, you can check out these twin engines, V12s, so 2 V12 engines, just says it on the top there. Yeah, I keep using the word cool because I'm trying to find another word. Amazing, incredible. Right guys, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me end it by just telling you why I'm actually here. The reason is because I think it's really important to kind of like set your goals, set your levels of where you want to kind of achieve. I'm outside of this kind of spending 3 million, millions, whatever on yachts right now, but it's not a bad way to get some information and find out what it is that you're working to next. I do love yachts. I've had a good time. You guys saw me in Dubai as well. I had a good time doing that. So it was nice today to go and check out all the crazy stuff that was here and the big Sunseeker yachts. And I found out about some prices and a couple of other things, finance options, how you can kind of like get to that level, what kind of level you need to be at to kind of afford these things, the maintenance costs, etc. So I just think it's really important for a little bit of knowledge, plus it's super fun. It's a little bit of a different video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, do all of the other bits, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.